Welcome everybody to another video, and today we're going to be discussing the 3 pillars to creating your Facebook or Instagram ads. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Hey everybody, Emiliano here, and I thank you for being checking out this video today. We are going to be discussing how to structure the Facebook ads or even post that as a real estate agent you are putting on your feed or paying Facebook to advertise for you. So one of the biggest mistakes that I see when real estate agents do Facebook ads or post is they talk about themselves. So they don't give any value to the customer, the user, the prospect. They say something like, hey, I am a real estate agent in the Orlando, Florida area with 25 years of experience. If you're looking to buy or sell a home, please call me. And there's a picture of them. That is good for branding or awareness, but something like that is not going to get you leads whatsoever. There's actually a formula, a structure, a format for you to actually get the leads, to build ads that give you leads. And believe me, talking about yourself or what you have is not going to do it. Another big one is saying, hey, I have this listing, I just got this listing, call me. That's not going to work either, because the problem is that not everybody is going to be in the market for a house that's maybe in that price range or in that neighborhood or a 2-story home or the size of the home, for whatever the matter is. So I want to talk to you about those 3 pillars today about how to create a Facebook ads. The 3 pillars are, first, you need to format your ad with the hook, story, and offer format. I'm not going to go into detail about this because I have other videos on this format, but really quick, when you structure an ad with the hook, story, and format, you're going to create a hook, which is a title or a headline that has no value, but it captures the attention of the user. Because you have to remember, when prospects or when people go to Facebook, they don't go to Facebook to shop. So your job is to capture their attention and then give them a story and then give them a compelling offer so they can click, right? So it's kind of like door-to-door salesman. Nobody sits at home waiting for somebody to knock on their door. When somebody knocks on your door, then they have to give you a catchy headline, or the person has to look really sharp to capture your attention so they can go into the next step, which is giving you a story so they can present the offer. Facebook ads is no different. You need to capture their attention with a nice catchy headline or an image or a video, something that catches your attention. The other day I saw a Facebook ad with a video, and the video was upside down. I don't think it was a mistake. It was purely intentional to capture people's attention, and it definitely caught my attention, and I listened to the video. Then there's the story. You have to tell a compelling story, and in your story, you have to tell them what value you're going to give them. And in the story, you're going to increase the perceived value of your offer, okay? So you're going to let them know why your offer is so amazing. You're going to say, this, and this, I can do this for you. This is what you're going to benefit. So it's not like I'm a realtor, call me. Everybody likes to be the hero of their own story. They don't want you to be the hero, okay? They don't want you to have all the answers, you to be the guru, you to have all the listings. They want themselves to be the hero of their story, so you need to talk to them. And then there is the offer. The offer is something compelling, something simple. Click here to learn more information. So that takes them to the landing page or to the lead form. So remember, you have to catch their attention with a hook, tell them a story that increases the perceived value of the offer, and then in the offer, you're going to let them know exactly what they're going to get and make it an easy transition. That's the first pillar. Talk to them. So nobody cares about you. What I mean is, when you write your story, don't use the words I, me, we. I think I said my already. Don't use those words. My listing, my experience. Don't say that, because when you're using those words, you're talking about yourself and you're not talking about them. They want you to talk to them about them, how you're going to help them. So when you create your story, or for that matter, any copy, headline, anything, any email, you need to talk to them. So switch those words for you and your. So you're going to eliminate I, my, we, ours. Eliminate those words, revise your copy, and say you, your. This is going to help you, not my listing on this street. You say this house will help you fit all your goods or your family, whatever the case is. You need to help them. Okay? Nobody cares about you, they only care about themselves. Last pillar of the structure to structure your Facebook ads is going to be the pain points. Everybody is on a journey. Everybody is moving away from pain or is moving towards pleasure. When you create an ad, you have to know who you're talking to. If you're talking to somebody is probably renting, you probably need to touch pain points like stop throwing your money away, or you're not getting any increased value over time, something like that. Something that touches, that hurts them. So in the story, you also have to speak to them, and then you have to touch on those pain points over and over and over again, because you have the solution that's going to help them. Or if you are maybe advertising to an investor, they have no pain, they're actually moving towards pleasure. They might be looking for something like cash flow, right? So that means they already have a home, they're looking for cash flow, which is something of pleasure. So you want to talk to them and speak to that pleasure, how you can help them achieve and feel that pleasure of cash flow. So there it is, guys. Your 3 pillars. The first one is format your ad with a hook, story, and offer. The second one is nobody cares about you. Speak to the customer. Don't speak about yourself. None of that. I'm a real estate agent with 25 years in the Hunters Creek area. Give me a call. BS. Nobody's going to call you. They want to see how you can help them, what you can give them. Okay? And third is touch on those pain points. When they're reading your ad copy, they need to feel, ooh, he's talking to me. That's exactly what I feel. And he has the solution. Okay, I'm going to give him a call, or I'm going to give him my information. I hope you guys learned something today. If you want more cool stuff, I have a free course. The link is in the description. Go ahead. Link registration is 100% free. It'll take you to this page, and you can register to the Do-It-Yourself Real Estate Lead Generation Academy. And I will see you guys on the other side or next week with another video. Take care. Bye-bye.